Why is a digital skills strategy so important? Because digital tools play a major role in achieving your organizational goals. Simply buying IT doesn't make your organization successful. Success only comes when your colleagues actually know how to use the software effectively. And there are risks if digital tools are not used properly, such as cybercrime, failing to meet compliance requirements, losing your competitive position, and employees experiencing stress or dissatisfaction if they don't get the right support. That's why having a solid digital adoption strategy is essential for every organization. But where do you start? To make your adoption strategy successful, there are 4 key elements. First, build a strong adoption team. Bring together IT experts, communication specialists, and colleagues from the business. Second, define a digital skill baseline and ambition level linked to your organizational goals. Translate your organizational objectives into concrete digital skills. Which basic skills does everyone need to ensure the organization runs smoothly? And which additional skills are needed to perform at the highest level? You can also define these per department. Third, create and execute a plan to bring colleagues up to the right level. Gain insight into current digital skill levels and build an investment plan to bring everyone to the baseline. Identify colleagues' learning preferences, provide the right resources, and measure progress. At WorkplaceBuddy, we use the Digital Skills Uplift dashboard for this. It shows how we are closing the knowledge and skills gaps across different target groups. Fourth, keep colleagues continuously up to date. Software keeps evolving, and to maximize its value, you must continue investing in your people. This means regularly updating your adoption strategy. Does the baseline and ambition level still fit? By analyzing how often digital tasks change for each group, you can determine the right investment and ROI. For this, we use the recurring digital skilling metric, which shows what level of investment is needed to keep colleagues performing at their best and the return that delivers. This allows for targeted budgeting and measurement. These are the 4 key elements for you as a leader. Of course, the details of each element need to be carefully executed to ensure success, but more on that later. For now, good luck.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn. See you next time.